In this video, we're going to talk about menstrual cups. This is an example of a menstrual cup. There are lots of different brands and they can come in different sizes, styles and shapes. Some of the kits you can get a sterilising pot with, or you can buy it separately. Menstrual cups usually come in two sizes. There is a small size cup, which guidelines state that are for under 25s or for anyone who has not given birth vaginally. Or there is a large cup, which is for over 25s or anyone who has given birth vaginally. A menstrual cup can be used for up to 12 hours before being removed and emptied, but this will depend on how heavy your flow is. For example, if you have a day where your flow is quite heavy, or maybe you have clots, you might need to empty it more often. A menstrual cup can last for up to 10 years.